गोंयचे स्टायलीन करुया माडाचें गोड घालन. तुमकां तर भायल्या गांवांत माडाचें गोड मेळना जाल्यार उशीचें गोड घायल्यार जाता. आनी काटलेचो सोय तुमच्यान ड्राय कोकोनट पावडर येता तो देखून घायल्यार जाता. तर चून करपाचें तुमचेर डिपेंड आहा. तुमकां केसो चून जाय तें कोराय. थोडे लोक पास घाताय आनी काजू बी घाताय. कितें घायल्यार जाता. पूण हांवें सारको सिंपल दोन दाखयले. जीं कोण नेयलीं भुरगीं कोताय तेंच्यांनी देखून कोण हावपा जाताय. चल आतां कॉमेस करुया. 2 फ्रेश कोकोनट ग्रेट केले. आनीक आतां हे 4 माडाच्या गोडाचे पीस बारीक कातोले सुरयेन. आनीक मागीर ते एका काटलेचे सोयेक मेळोवन तेजें चून करपाचें. I have taken 2 coconuts fresh, grated them and taken the Goan black jaggery. You can take a white jaggery and mix it thoroughly. Do not put salt because there is already salt in this black jaggery or even in the white jaggery mostly. So mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. Now this is 1 kg flour I have taken. This is self-raising flour, 6 cups. So I have put full packet of 1 kg. You can put even plain flour. So almost both are the same. So for this, to make it a dough, you have to add 1 full teaspoon salt. 1 kg is 6 cups of flour. So you need 6 eggs, 1 egg for each cup. So break it, mix it properly with the whisker. If you have a electric one, you can use that as well, but hand whisker is more than enough, which I have done with 10 minutes of whisking, so that all the flour must get dissolved completely. Then keep a frying pan, and cut onion on both the sides, and put oil in a small cup, and apply it with onion. We don't need too much oil. Then put 2 spoons, serving spoons full of the batter into the pan, and just bend the pan, and it will take the shape. So let it cook for 2 minutes. It does not need too much cooking. 1 minute on each side is fine. So I have put the flame on the hob on number 4, and turn it and keep it for half a minute. So 2 minutes are enough, and remove it on a big plate, and 1 full tablespoon of mixture, coconut jaggery, and just fold it, and you are ready to enjoy the alabele, or manikyo is called in South Goa. बरो टेस्टी आहे. आनीक ह्यो तुमी कोरया हे पद्दतीन कोरयाय. एक फॅमिलीक पुरो सुशेगाद खावपाक. आनीक त्यो काबार जाल्यार मागीर सेम प्रोसिजरान तुमच्यान आनी करपा जाताय. आसतना आमी जेजूक आर्गां दिनवास दिया, आनीक सर्गीच्या बापा कडेन मागया आमकां पवित्र जावपाक कृपा दिवपाक, आनी आमची दुयेंसां पेस पिडा सगळी पवित्र जात्रीच. आमी आमगेल्या तोंडान आमची दुयेंसां पेस पिडा आनी गरीबसाण सगळी जाण एकल्याच्यान आमच्यान बरी कोन्न तितूंतली आमकां सुटका मेळोन आमी बरें आनंद बरी जिवीत संवसारां सारतलीं आमगेले फामिलीचे सांगाताक. तर मॅरी क्रिसमस 2020 and a joyful New Year 2021. God bless you all.